Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your event registration details to your Google Sheets, that too without any manual intervention. So I regularly conduct events and I use Gravity forms in order to collect the registrations for these events. And now I want that whenever I receive a new registration, I want to add the details in Google Sheets. And yes, this is possible. I'm just going to show you how this automation is going to work. So let's say I'm just going to register for this event as new user. I'm going to fill in this form. I'm going to fill in all the details and register for this event by clicking on this submit. Once we register for this event, let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see within seconds and in real time the details of the new registrant are added in my Google Sheets. And yes, that too without any manual intervention, but this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business too, then watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, open the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here, you're going to see the option of sign up for free in this corner. Then click on the sign up for free and you're going to see that you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, directly click on this sign in, login inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. After you open your workflow builder, this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Gravity forms. So I use Gravity forms to collect the details of my registrants. You can use any another form builder application like Jot form, Type form, Tally or many another form builders. Pabbly supports most of them. And if you need a particular video requesting for a form builder connection with Google Sheets, you can request it in the comment section below, and I promise you that we'll try our best to fulfill your request. Now you have to select the form builder application over here. For the event, select it as new response and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL. So now just copy this webhook URL and open your Gravity Forms account. So as you know that Gravity Forms is a plugin of WordPress. So I've opened my WordPress account and you have to make sure that you have to go to this plugin section and install the plugin name webhook. So as you can see, I've already installed this plugin which is Gravity Forms webhook add-on. You have to install this plugin and make sure to activate it right from here. Otherwise this automation is not going to work. After you activate this, go on the forms and then you have to select the form using which you're collecting the event registration details. After you select the same form, what you have to do is you have to go to this settings, scroll and go to this webhooks. Once you come on this webhook, click on this add new webhook button right over here. Now after clicking on this, it is asking me for the webhook name. So if you wish, you can definitely enter the webhook name. For the request URL, paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. For the method, select it as post. For the request format, select it as JSON. It is asking for the headers. So if you wish, you can definitely select the headers, but this is not required. I'm going to leave it as blank. For the request body, select it as all fields and click on this save settings. Now your webhook URL is added in your Gravity Forms. This means that this is the successful connection between Gravity Forms and Pabbly Connect. But now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you have to do a test submission. So let's register for this event once again, but this time with the new details. So as you can see, I've entered the details right over here and now I'm going to click on this next. Once we click on this next, I'm going to update the details right over here and I'm going to click on this next once again and I'm going to purchase the ticket and click on this submit. Once we click on this submit, yes, you can see that we have successfully submitted this form. So let's open our workflow and as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the same. You're going to see the same email address, same phone number. You're going to see all the details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. Now I'm going to add these details in my Google Sheet. So let's click on this add new action step and now for the action application, search for Google Sheets. So I'm just going to search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, select add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now over here it is asking me to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So let's select the Gmail account, and after we select the Gmail account, Pabbly is asking me for some permissions. So I'm going to click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because my data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Now we have successfully created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, we have to select the spreadsheet in which we have to add the lead details. So as you can see, the name of my spreadsheet is details, so I've selected the same. Now we have to select the sheet, and one by one we have to enter all the details which we have to add in our Google Sheets. But we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one I am going to map all the details right over here. I'm going to just add some commas and map all the details like the address, phone number, email, and then the name to right over here. So as you can see that I've successfully mapped this address too, and I've entered the street address, put it a comma, then city, then comma, then the state. Now the gender, I'm just going to look for the gender, and I'm going to map the gender too. For the age, I'm going to look for the age right over here, and then we're going to map the age. Now you can see we have successfully mapped all the details. So click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully added these details in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets, and as you can see, the details have been added, be it the name, the email, the phone, the address, the gender, or the age. The details are added right over here, and with this we have successfully completed this workflow. And now whenever we're going to receive a new event registration from Gravity Forms, automatically the details will be added in Google Sheets. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send us request. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you wish, the workflow URL of this video is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.